Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the NCERT exercise of class 9th chapter 3rd atoms and molecules. So the question here is calculate the number of moles for the following, that is first part is the 52 gram of helium and the second part number of atoms is given to you. So we have to calculate the number of moles. So for the number of moles
N, we are going to use this formula. There are two formula here where
M stands for given mass and capital M stands for the molar mass. So in this case the small m given mass is the 52 gram and the molecular mass of helium is the 4 gram here. So when we calculate the number of moles, then it is equal to 52 divided by 4 and it comes out to be 13 moles. Now in the second part we have to calculate the number of moles for this amount of atoms. So as we know, N is equal to number of atoms divided by Avogadro number of atoms given to you, and Avogadro number is fixed. So as Avogadro's constant is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, number of atom is this one. So we will place this value in this formula here. So 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and we will get the answer, and the number of moles is 2 here. So this is just a formula, two formulas to calculate the number of moles: given mass over the molecular mass and given number of atoms divided by the Avogadro numbers. By this formula we can easily calculate the number of moles. Now the next type of a question is we have to calculate the mass of the following moles. So now this time mole is given to you, you know the molecular mass, but now you have to calculate the given mass. So now we will put the value here. N is equal to 0.5, given mass which we have to calculate, and in case of N2 gas, nitrogen having atomic mass 14, so there are two atoms of nitrogen, so answer will be 28. If it is just a nitrogen atom, then it will be 14, but since it is N2 here, so we will calculate first their molecular mass. So 28. Now 0.5 into 28 we get the mass, which comes out to be 14 gram here. Now the second part of the question is we have to calculate mass of 0.5 mole of nitrogen atom. Now this time not the nitrogen gas, it is nitrogen atom here. So now again what is given to you, what you have to find out here, small m. What is given to you, small n, that is 0.5. mass you have to calculate, and the molecular mass of nitrogen is 14. So now we will multiply this value by this by taking towards this side. 0.5 into 14, so m's come out to be 7 gram. So this is the second part of the question. Now the third part of the question is we have to calculate the mass of 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of nitrogen here. So again small m is equal to number of atoms divided by the Avogadro number. So and we know that which is further equal to, as N is equal to given mass over molecular mass, which means this is equal to small m by capital M. So we get this new formula here. So all the three values we are having 1, 2 and 3, and we have to calculate the small m here. Again I am repeating, this is the first formula and this is the second formula. Now left hand side of both formula is same, which means the right hand must be equal to, जैसे मैथ्स में करते हैं A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to B and B is equal to C, which means A also equal to C. तो इसी तरह से अभी N इसके इक्वल है और N by Na के भी इक्वल है, which means given mass over molecular mass is also equal to the number of atoms divided by the Avogadro constant. So we get this new formula here. So N is given to you, that is 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23. Na कितना given है, 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. स्मॉल m आपको निकालना है, कैपिटल M क्योंकि नाइट्रोजन एटम है तो 14 है. अब 23 से 23 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ठीक है. We can just divide it like this, 3 into 2 6, 1/2 के अराउंड है ही है. 14 divided by 2, then again it comes out to be 7 gram here for this question also. Now the fourth part is we have to calculate the mass of 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 nitrogen molecule. Now again here is N2 molecule, and what is given to you? Number of atoms. And what you have to calculate? Mass. And you know the molecular mass of nitrogen, that is 1 for 1 nitrogen it is 14, for 2 nitrogen is 14 plus 14 28. So again this formula will be used here. So here N is 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23, and we know that Na also is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. Small m we have to find out, and capital M is given to you, that is 28. This will cancel out, ये 0 नहीं होगा, ये 1 हो जाएगा cancel होके. So now small m is equal to 28 here. So in this question there are 4 parts. In each case we have to calculate the small m, and we have to use either this formula or this, depending upon the situation what is given to you in the question. And equating these two formula we get the third formula, this one. Now the next type of a question is calculate the number of particles in each of the following. Now we have to calculate the number of particles. ठीक है, तो अभी हमारे पास फॉर्मूला था n is equal to small m by capital M, which is further is equal to n by na, and these are the number of particles. तो अब हमें ये कैलकुलेट करना है. अब डिपेंड है कि हमें गिवन क्या है. वी आर गिवन 46 gram of Na atom, which means small m is given to you. We know the capital M. We know this Na value, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So by this we can easily get the n here. So for the first part we use this formula. Small m is given to you, that is 46. Capital M जो सोडियम एटम है, एटॉमिक नंबर 11 होता है, इसका मास होता है 23, डबल से एक ज़्यादा. ये आप जैसे जैसे न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे आपको कुछ एलिमेंट्स के अपने आप ही मॉलिक्यूलर मास याद हो जाएंगे. विच इज़ फर्दर इक्वल टू n हमें निकालना है, और एवागेड्रो हमें पता है कि कांस्टेंट है 6.022 इंटू 10 रेज़्ड टू पावर 23. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज 23 इंटू 2 इज 46, तो 6 इंटू 2 12, तो आंसर कम्स आउट टू बी 12.022 into 10 raised to power 23 is the number of atoms which is present in 46 gram of sodium atom. अब second part हमें calculate करना है in 8 gram of O2. So again we are given the given mass. We know the molecular mass, we know the Na, so we can easily find out N here. So what is the given weight? It is 8 gram. We know that O2, O is 16. So O2 means 16 plus 16, that is 32. So molecular mass is 32 here. Further equal to n, और Na constant हमें पता है, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Now this is 8 into 4 32, तो 1/4. 6 को इधर लेके गए, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 4, we get the number of atoms n. So we know that it is 4 1 the 4, 20 गया, 4 1 the 4 20, 4 5 का 20, 0 5 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. तो n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी यहाँ पे 1.505 into 10 raised to power 23. ठीक है. अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे. Calculate the number of atoms in 0.1 mole of carbon atom. So now directly number of moles is given to you. So you directly use first and this last term, that is n is equal to capital N by Na. Now what is given to you? Small n here is 0.n. Capital N you have to find out, and this is given to you 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. ऊपर गए एक पॉइंट, यहाँ से अगर जो पॉइंट 0.1 है तो इसे हम लिख सकते हैं 10 raised to power -1. यू नो दैट अगर हमारे पास जैसे 10 है तो हमें 10 की पावर 1 इज़ 10, तो ऐसे ही अगर हम 0.1 लिखते हैं तो इट इज़ 10 की पावर -1. इफ़ इट इज़ 0.01 तो इसे हम क्या लिखेंगे 10 की पावर -2. तो ये मैथ्स में आपने ऑलरेडी किया होगा. अगर मान लीजिए मेरे पास 1000 है तो आई विल राइट इट 10 raised to power 3, और अगर 100 है तो क्या आंसर आएगा सोचिए ज़रा, 10⁻²। तो ये पावर लिखने का मेथड होता है। तो इसे मैंने 10⁻⁻1 किया इंटू 6.023 इंटू 10⁻23। तो n की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, 6.022 इंटू 10⁻22 comes out to be n here.